Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company and another car for sale video. Look at this. This is a 2013 BMW 640 M Sport. Car's done 118,000 miles. Only had one previous owner, got a fantastic service history, and it is absolutely lovely. I really like these. Just look at it. I just think they look an absolute eyeful for the money. This would have been a serious amount of money when it was new, and now they just look such good value for money. Let's have a little look round. So obviously finished in silver, which is actually quite a rare colour for one of these. A lot of dark blues, a lot of blacks. Silver looks great. We've got nice alloys all the way around the car. We've got good tyres all the way around the car. M Sport badge. Full specification is in the advert. Please do look at the advert, because rather than me bore you to death with it here, full spec is all in there. One thing it does have, which is nice, which is worth just noting, is soft close, which is just a nice, on these big doors, I think that's a nice option to have. We've got another nice clean tidy alloy and good tyre. If I get down here you can see that as well. Another virtually brand new tyre. Excuse me, sniffing. As you can see down the side, it's like new. There isn't any dings, any little car park dents. It's in such good straight condition. As we come round the back, we have parking sensors on the rear, as you can see here. And again, all of this is immaculate, pristine, as it should be. Let's have a little look inside. So, decent boot, one of these. As you can see, it goes all the way back there. We've got nothing of any note in here. Plastics are all in nice condition. It's not had a load of stuff sharpened, as you'd expect really with a coupe like this anyway. But it's just, again, nice condition. Again, if we come down this side, you can see, if we try and get it in the light, it's absolutely straight. Again, we've got another perfect tyre there, look. Nice clean alloy. It's just a nice straight original car. It's not been messed around with. It's just as it should be. It's the right one. Let's have a look inside. So, obviously leather everywhere, as you'd expect. You've got this aluminium sort of carbon fibre style trim on the doors. We've got the M Sport moniker on the door kicks there. We've got memory seats, drivers and passenger side. The leather in here is in good condition, so if you just have a little look, these are quite neat. You've got this to move the seat forward, or you can pull here, look, and get into the back. So back seats look brand new. Not a huge amount of room obviously, but enough for now and again, I would say. And again, let's put that like so. Move that back a little bit. Let's have a little look inside. So this is where you start to see some of the quality. You've got this leather dash all stitched here, looks lovely. Oh, we've got the radio on, let's turn that down. So you've got the widescreen navigation, Bluetooth, media streaming obviously. We've got the CD player, we've got climate control, menu all done from here. I have put the service is all in the pictures in the advert if you have a look on the website. We've got the start button, cruise control, mode, the obligatory flappy paddle gearboxes, automatic wipers, the mirrors, self-dipping, electric steering column, electric windows obviously, electric mirrors, memory driver's seat. And again, if we have a look over here, look, the leather in here is in nice condition as well. So like I said, the car's done 118. The gentleman that traded the car to us has he bought the car, and sadly very soon after his hip started to play up, and he's been on the waiting list for a hip operation for a while, hence why the car hasn't gone very far. He sadly eventually decided that even if he gets the hip operation, he's not going to be able to drive it. He can't get in and out, unfortunately, and so he's sold it for that reason. So if we have a look at the service history, this all makes sense, because it starts out. So these are on 20,000 intervals. So we've got the first service there, look, in 2015 at 19. one there in 2016 at 41. Obviously these are at BMW main agents. We've got one there at 60, 17, 79 in 18, 99 in 19. That's when it starts to slow down. So this is when the other gentleman got the car in, I think it was 2020. So 114 at 2020. Then I had another service in 21 at 117. Then I had another service in 2022 at 118, which is only just done now. At that point, the EGR and small turbo were replaced as well. So the car hadn't done anywhere since 2022. Basically, it's been kept in his garage. He gets it out. He's had it on trickle charge. It's all been nicely looked after, but he just can't drive it. So we've just done another service at 118,969. So we did new filters, basically just recommissioned the car, gone through it, make sure it's all as it should be, checked everything over, and it just absolutely looks fantastic. Drives so well. Obviously this 640D, it's the 3-litre diesel engine, just shy of 300 horsepower, another virtually brand new tyre look on the front there. Even around the front, there's no scuffs on the bumpers. I can't even find any stone chip. There's maybe one or two little tiny stone chips, that's it. It smacks to me of a car that's done a lot of motorway miles, not had any hard life at all. And quite honestly, to find one at this age with just one previous owner with that history, is you're just not going to find another. It's absolutely lovely, looks great in that colour, lovely combination, nice spec, it's all there. For more information, it's all on the website. It's murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. There you'll find all our contact info. Have a look on Google, we've got great reviews. We've been here for 20 years. We'll take your car in part exchange. We can help arrange finance. As ever, if you're interested in one of our cars, pick the phone up, give us a call. It's always the best way. Please do call before coming, as everything must be seen by appointment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-da!